name's Danielle, and welcome to the Millie Life. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, or if you're on your mobile device, click on the Millie Life logo to subscribe. I post new motorcycle videos every Wednesday and new exercise tutorials every Friday, so make sure you subscribe. Today we are going to be talking about my new flush gas cap and the install. So check it out. And when I first got my bike, there was a ton of clicking and banging noises, and it drove Matt crazy. I just thought it was part of my bike. Turns out it was my gas cap. So we bought one of the ones that lays flush with the gas tank, and that seemed to really do the trick in terms of stopping the clattering, but it also looks sick. It was an easy installation, so I videoed that, and I just love the way that it looks. It is so fun, but also so rewarding to customize your bike. Even small changes like that can make it look just completely different. I never realized how bulky the stock cap was. And it was really bulky. I'm trying out a new view on the GoPro today. I have it on my handlebars. Haven't yet researched how to get it onto my helmet. And that I definitely want to do some quality research on and get that sucker on there securely. Gas mount comes in black and chrome. I went with black, and it actually almost completely blends in to my tank. I have a video of me doing the install, so I'll put that on here. Check it out.
Gas tank cap. Not gas tank. I don't know how much that could buy. We got some cleaner here. This flush mount fuel cap that my wonderful boyfriend got for me. You can get it in chrome or black. First step is figuring out how to open up the box. Okay, so open this guy up. Popping paper, that's the best. Nicely packaged, so popping paper and then wrapped. This is what that guy looks like. Incredibly intricate fastening kit off. Just a 3M tape. Just peel that guy off just like that. Put it on the old gas. So this was a really cool tip that Matt pointed out from his experience installing this on his bike. It looks like it's level, like it's even all the way around, but it's not. So if you come to the front of your bike, like, can you get a shot over here? If you rotated it not on the tape, so you can see how it like lifts up quite a bit, right? So we put the tape pieces on so that when I take the adhesive off, we know exactly where to place it. So pretty smart little hack. What a smart, wonderful man. 30 seconds push down. Just like any other 3M product. We still haven't been able to do that with our wreath. It won't stay on the door with the 3M hook.
And there you have it, the final product. You can see how much of a difference there are between the stock and the new one. Crazy.
And you don't have to customize your bike. You can also do like completely stock. Maybe it's just the environment I'm in, but I don't feel like many motorcyclists just keep the bike stock. And I really love the jet fuel.
I was going back and forth on it. I like the neutral colors of my bike, having it white and black. I don't want to make it not me and yeah, I spent the afternoon trying to get files from Matt's computer onto my new computer. I am so excited. I actually bought myself a computer to do all my video editing. Matt and I are working on starting another company. We're running into the issue of wanting to use the same computer. He also does his practice plans for practice on there, so it was time. The lady at Best Buy made it seem like transferring files was as easy as getting a USB cord to USB cord, and that has not been the case. I also purchased an external hard drive, and I'm trying to install it on the new computer, and it's saying error, the device cannot be found or is corrupt. Great. So I'm wondering if I have to charge it. The website says that it comes fully charged and ready to install, and that the install should just pop up on the hard drive when you open it, but it is not working. So I must be missing something. That was a little closer than what I wanted to be to this car. Don't you love it? Stoplights. It's just a standstill. Like red lights in all directions, and there's no cars blowing. I will figure it out, or I'll be headed back over to Best Buy to see what's going on. Maybe it's just a bum hard drive. But I will figure it out. Super excited to get working on that and just personalize my computer. There's so much that goes into video vlogging. You gotta have the GoPro and the setup for it on your helmet. I don't have a microphone. I'm just using my AirPods, so that's probably going to be somewhere in the future getting a microphone for my helmet. I do have a Senna, and I'm wondering if I can record on that. But again, I got to do a little bit more research into that. Very exciting, but I am learning big time between Adobe Premiere, GoPro, using computers in general. Not that I've never used a computer, but I always think when those arrows pop up that it's a tight turn, and that's not necessarily the case. I also know this road fairly well. There definitely are some curves with no arrows marked on them that are way sharper. I guess Grayson City and doing the Tail of the Dragon, like those were some tight curves, so anything out here kind of pales in comparison. Although apparently there's the back of the Dragon in Virginia. I haven't looked much into that, but apparently it's out by Shenandoah. Definitely want to go try that out, see what that's all about. Brakes, nice early blinker. Thank you, Honda Pilot. Here we go. This is one of the best parts of fall, is being able to ride on a motorcycle and watch the leaves slowly float down to the ground. So cool. I don't know if the GoPro captured that. I hope it did. What do we got? All right, we are good to go. That was a weird looking car. I don't even know what that was. Oh, it just killed a bug. Nice splatter on my helmet. I was one the other day, and the wings kind of looked like a moth, but the body looked like a bee, and it was squished right in the crevice of my lid and my visor. So luckily I had that down. Otherwise that would have been right in my face. So thanks, Simpson helmet. Love this lid. I am almost at 3,000 miles since I've had baby girl. It'll be time for her first oil change, I think. Try to drive her as long as I can into November, and then she'll go into storage for a little bit. That will be sad. All right, so this is a one-lane road. I'm going to stay back a little ways just so if someone else approaches, they can see me over the Lexus up there. Oh man, the trees are really starting to change colors. Lots of oranges, lots of yellows, a little bit of red. So pretty. The 90s are back. Crocs are really popular too. I do not like Crocs. Can't wait to put that new peg on. Just a little update on the new levers. Still loving these shorty levers from Lucky Speed Shop. They just make controlling and handling the bike that much easier. No red lights. Oh my goodness. Mateo has been saying lately that red lights mean go and green lights mean stop. He thinks it's funny. And now look at me. Ask him for a red light to go. Love fall and winter. Do not like how dark it is during the day. Oh, here's more of those safety integrity solutions. That's a mouthful. That was my old friend Tyler. The last time we spoke, he was mad at me. Did not end well. He's such a dad. We used to work together at the gym, and then he quit. Poor boy, no boy. Had to take him to the vet on Monday. Holy bumps. With the disc. Poor little guy. Not acting like himself. Whimpering. Wouldn't let me or Matt pick him up. Would not jump up onto the bed, which he's a small little guy, but he's got some ups. Let's turn green. 3 to 4 second following distance, so he passes that sign. I want to be 3 Mississippis behind him. Oh, we got a van peeling out. I will never drive a van, even with a bunch of kids. But I don't want a bunch of kids. 2 or 3 seems about all I could probably handle and love. But whenever I wear these headbands with my helmet fits like so snug and like puts just enough pressure on my head. It does not feel good. It is nice that it keeps the little wispies out of my eyes. You have long hair and you ride a motorcycle, you know what I'm talking about? Oh, wow. That guy was on a mission. What are you honking at me for? That was weird. Wide load coming. He's honking at the smallest vehicle on the road to get over. Maybe he wanted to be in the YouTube video. I don't know.
So I thought that this would be a great way to end this video. This was taken on my ride home. It was a gorgeous sunset, and I was lucky enough to see it and capture it on the GoPro. So once again, I'm Danielle. This is the Millie Life, and thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to click on the Millie Life logo in the bottom right-hand corner if you're on your mobile device. If you're on not a mobile device, just click that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.